Yung mga nagsasabi, hindi, ano lang yan. Medyo, ano lang yan, pampapogi lang yan, pang cosmetic lang yan. Well, they're fair to to have that opinion, but kung it's unsustainable. It's really the what people are saying. Watch me sustain it. And then we'll talk in May of 2028. Oh, natuloy ba o hindi? Yeah. We found a way. We found a way to do it. We found a way to do it. We could not do it before. Hindi kaya kasi hindi pa kaya ng sistema. Iba pa yung presyo ng bigas noon. Hindi pa tayo Kaya yung mga bilateral na ginagawa namin, we're making deals with different countries para yung presyo mapako na hindi pa bago-bago. Kahit anong mangyari down the road, nagawa na ngayon natin. Wala tayong ganun noon eh. Ngayon meron na. Kaya na natin gawin ng 20 pesos. And other things that DA is able to sell rice, the prices come down. But at the same time, on the other side, tinitiyak natin na ang pagbili, ang presyo na pagbili sa farmers ay magandang presyo naman para naman yung farmers natin magandang kanilang hanap buhay. And the difference there, that's what the government is paying for.